Turn the camera on, Sonia. Just turn it on. Happy Saturday, October the 7th. So, I'm just starting off this vlog, y'all. I don't know what it's going to consist of. I hope you guys like it. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I love you. You know what to do right now. Subscribe in the corner, wherever you at. Subscribe in the corner. Hit the subscribe button. Like, share. Do all those things, okay? So, I'm in the bathroom. As you can see, I'm going to try to do this. This is OOTD. You guys remember this? From last year. This is just my... Y'all know this. How do people do this? Like, okay. This sweater that has like the... I think it's... what's the name of this sweater? Rachel's something. I don't remember. But anyway, here's the sweater. And I have on my... Oh, gosh, y'all. Like, how do they do it? How do they do it? I have on my Abercrombie. Can y'all see? And then what's going on here, y'all? Look at this. What? What is going on? They still fit really nice, though. Y'all, I don't care. I'm going to get rid of a pair of jeans today because I don't need all them jeans. But what I do need, I need a black pair of jeans that are long like these. And I don't know if I told you, I just got out of the bathtub. On Saturdays, I do like soak-ins. This is just FYI, y'all. And then she has her, look at that. Do y'all see her going? Y'all see her going. It smells so good in here. But anyway, I forgot what I was saying. All right, well, I got this on right now. I'm going to take it off when I get ready to leave. I'm going to go over to my daughter's home and sit with her and chill for a little while. Hopefully my mom's home. I got something I'm going to take to her. I'll show you what I got for her. But I had my coffee today already. Thank you all anyway for just even coming here for my video. She a minimalist. I don't do a whole lot. But anyway, I did my eyebrows. Y'all know how to do that. So let me know. Did they come out okay? That's it. All right. Well, anyway, let me put these things up. And then we'll come back. I need to go put my stuff in the bedroom behind the closet. And this is Fragrant of the Day. I'm keeping it everything, all things autumn. And then I'm using this one here. Uh-oh. I'm using this one here that I picked up from Ross. Okay? So that's that. And then I'll come back, okay? So yeah, guys, as you can see, it's a little rainy, it's a little chilly. And you guys know when that comes together, but guess what? We're going to have to get on out of here. Yeah. That is what makes me not want to go out. Because it's 55 degrees, which is not really that bad. Well, it's not 55 yet, but it'll be 55 in a little while. But I don't want to go outside in that wet stuff. And I already have like a really bad sinus infection. It hasn't had me down, but I don't know. Let me show y'all real quick what I'm going to give my mom and things like that. Oh, I got to get those jeans out of the closet. Hold on. Let me get those jeans out. Yeah, guys, I got enough here. I'm going to let these go, these tablots. So I think my mom will be able to fit these. So I'm going to let those go. And that'll make space for my pair of black jeans whenever I can find them. So she's going to have these. If I call her and she tells me she don't want them, I'm not going to give them to her. And then I have this beautiful black coat. I know she'll like this. It's basically like new. Don't worry about that stuff down there. It's like trash. recycle stuff. But y'all know the puffer coats, and then it comes in, because I already have another black coat. So these, and then I'm giving her also this for when, you know, when she travels, instead of carrying around a bottle of water. And then I'm going to be donating this thing here with something else in there. And then I have to take this back to Habitat for Humanity, because I did find it for 25 cents one day, and it doesn't fit what I needed it to. So I'm just going to donate it back. And then I'm also giving this back to my daughter. I don't need it. And then this here is going for my mom, because I don't know if I showed you. I have a larger one. I'll show you guys in another clip of this video. Okay.
Roads while they're looking at their phone. Now, you can't talk on your phone if you're over the age of 18. You can use that cell phone while you're driving, as long as you're either using your hands-free or holding the phone to your ear for a conversation, or just using it, all right?
All right, guys, my daughter is playing some really crazy music right now, so I'm just going to do a little voiceover. I'm just showing you guys a little OOTD, foolish. And daughter is in here. She is getting ready to go sell her meals. I don't know if you guys know, my daughter has a catering business. She does very well. So she doesn't really want to be on camera, but I'm just going to throw her in a little bit. Look at her face. Look at her, y'all. Look at her. She like, ma, nope, I ain't, don't do that. So I'm just, I'm just showing y'all her getting her stuff together. And yeah, I'm always doing some jokey joke stuff. Yeah, let's head on to moms now. All right, y'all. Over moms. It's open? Oh, I didn't know. Okay, I didn't know. Oh, that plant is doing good. Okay. Okay. Uh-huh. What? What's wrong with, I mean.
I bring inside of something been eaten.
Oh.
Roots.
Okay.
Yeah, I was digging down in there in the roots, so I had to redo it.
I'm trying to think. I don't know what that could be.
So get some more
Okay.
dirt on it.
Here.
All right.
See if you can. You should be able to fit it. It's just some stuff in there. Say hi. Not. I ain't gonna leave you on there long, cause you don't want to be on there.
This is Mom. Just got out the shower, washed my hair, getting ready to go out.
All right, y'all.
Next day.
I'm gonna spend a little time with my mom for a few, then I'm gonna go home. Okay. Let me take my shoes off.
No, you didn't take your shoes off. We had a welcome for the new first lady. Oh, it was so nice. It's not the world. I said it's the people in the world. And Calvin Leonard.
Yes, ma'am.
He said, "You're right, Mabel." He said, "That's right." He said, "The God's world is beautiful, just the people
It's
in
just
it."
the people. Praise God, say God.
Yeah.
It's my thanks for these. I needed some more. I don't even have any grown up.
Okay.
Cause you know I can saute these and make like walnut meat.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
I just take a hammer and smash them. I got another bag.
Okay.
But I just don't know about that. Take a hammer and smash them. They're good for us.
Right. Yeah, I ain't gonna stay long because I know you gotta be leaving to put this on. It keep doing that though. Raining and stopping, raining and stopping.
Sunshine. They say devil whipping his wife.
The devil whipping his wife?
That's what Mama used to say. Sunshine and rain.
Yeah, I guess tonight I should go out in a little while and sell her food and stuff.
Okay.
Yep. I ain't gonna do nothing. Probably just go home, relax. Yeah, I might get these. They don't have too much to choose from here. These are $3.20 with 25% off, and then these will be half because blue is 50% off. So we'll see which one comes with me. I gotta go now. All right, guys, we're back home. I just want to thank y'all for hanging out with me today. I really appreciate it. Y'all hanging out with a sister, okay? Always remember on these videos to thumbs up the video, which is like, also subscribe and share the channel, guys. Share the channel with everybody you know. But guys, thank God for mamas. I'm gonna use these walnuts. I can't wait. But anyway, like I said, I'm home now. It's raining cats and dogs outside. I don't know if y'all can hear, but listen. That's rain. I know y'all hear it. But anyway, I got a long black robe, which I love because this one is not too long, but it's very, very warm. But I needed another robe. So I got a black robe and I found a pair of black jeans. So I only got 2 items. And what I'll do is I'll just plug them into the next video. You guys will see me. So always remember to do what, guys? Love yourself. Okay? Love yourself enough so that you'll be able to love others. So this world will be a much better place. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.